2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, MP3 capability, rear window defroster, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.